Tonight we're here on getting back to the basics, getting to know God and our Bible. And we're here to talk about whether or not God's laws had changed. What did it mean when Christ had said that it is not what goes into the body that defiles the body, that makes it unclean, but what comes from our hearts? And what did it mean when in the vision Peter was told to rise, kill and eat? Did it mean the literal food that we eat? Whether we can eat unclean foods, or we're talking about our fellow brethren or fellow man? Now we're going to look at Christ stating that he did not, in Matthew 5, he said he did not come here to make the law obsolete. He did not come here to do away with the law, but to fulfill the law. What does this mean? And if it means so, does it mean that in this other passage, Christ was actually doing away with the law? So we have to look into all of these things. Does what Christ says actually backs up Scripture, or does it go against Scripture? What interpretation do we put on what Christ said and the vision that Peter had gained? So first we're going to look at what was known as unclean then. The Gentiles, men who were not Hebrew, men who were not Jewish, were known as unclean. And the Hebrew, the Jewish people, did not have any dealings with them. And Christ was showing Peter that he shouldn't call any man unclean, because whatever God sanctifies is not unclean. This was not taught.